Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today's video I want to show you the new Xero Gooseneck 2.0. It's a three-piece system, the gooseneck. So the first piece is your angle that will get inserted into the top clamp of your Xero pole. And you're going to see that there's a little bit of a tab here. That will go in between the spacing in where the clamp is, so you can clamp up there, and that'll stop that from spinning at all. The next piece in the chain of the gooseneck are these extenders. Now they will come in 12-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, 36, and I believe even 47 inches to get really far over deep ledges. And so the way you do this is you open up the clamps on either end, you'll insert that, get a nice overlap, and then clamp that up. The next thing you want to do is you want to take the included Xero fast lock adapter and you slot that in there like that, and you clamp that up. From this point, you would take your Xero brush with a square fast lock and snap that into place. And there is the completed gooseneck. Now I just want to point out something to you though. We'll just open up that top clamp for a minute. Now many people may have an older Xero pole that has a Euro threaded tip and a Euro threaded angle adapter. If you do have that, you can still buy the Xero Gooseneck 2.0, but instead of putting the fast lock adapter in there, you would put the Xero Euro threaded tip, and you'd insert that in there. And just like the bottom of the gooseneck here, these tips do have a little slot or a little tab here, which can go into the middle spacing of these clamps. And then you can make sure that's all nice and tight, but it doesn't spin at all. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what this thing looks like all assembled on a pole. So here is the Xero Gooseneck 2.0 assembled onto a Xero. This is a Xero Pro 30. As you can see from the clamp, there's good 2 to 3 inches there, but another inch here, 12 inches along here, and then once you add the fast lock adapter, it gives you another few inches. So even though technically speaking the tube section is 12-inch, and we would call this a 12-inch complete gooseneck, you're really getting from about this point here where the angle is all the way out to here, you're getting probably more like about 16 to 18 inches. And just to let you know, this the angle piece here, the idea is that you can just buy one complete setup of the gooseneck. This is a steel piece angled at 45. Then if you needed to get a longer gooseneck, instead of buying a whole system complete setup again, you can just buy a longer extension like the 18-inch. And they also have, like I said, the 24-inch, 36, and 47-inch. The last thing I want to point out about this gooseneck is you can see how I have the fast lock angle adapter set this way, so it goes angled up and over. In my opinion, this probably works best in most situations. Just one less thing to actually touch a ledge or something by having this pointed up, as opposed to if I had it set up like this. I don't think there's any really wrong way or right way to do it, whichever is your preference. But one thing too, I just want to leave you with, sometimes you might not only have to reach over like a deep overhang, but sometimes you have to reach over and then down. Such as, you're doing solariums, tops of solariums, or that kind of thing, or atriums, or even solar panels for that matter. And because you're using a fast lock angle adapter, you could actually angle the brush downwards too, if you wanted to. So like I said, you're getting up and over and then down, so you can be scrubbing a surface that might be like this. So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful understanding the Xero Gooseneck 2.0. Thanks for watching.